Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Kinemaster and creating a new project with the aspect ratio you need. This ensures captions match the frame. Import your clips and trim to the exact start point because precise timing is critical. Once imported, play the clip and tap to add timeline markers where captions should appear. This step saves time later. Make sure to keep audio loud enough to hear dialogue, and note pauses or overlaps so you can place captions exactly where viewers need them. Next, you tap Layer, choose Text, and type your first caption. This is where you control how viewers read. Adjust font, size, color, and add a semi-opaque background box so text stays legible over video. Once done, place the text layer on the timeline and stretch or shorten it to match speech. When lines change quickly, split the clip and create separate text layers. Also apply subtle fade in or out of about 0.5 to 1 second for a natural reading flow. To finish, you watch the entire video in Kinemaster and on a target device to confirm timing, spelling, and legibility. This is where most issues appear. Export the final file at your chosen resolution and test playback. If captions drift or overlap, reopen the project and realign the text layers to timeline markers. If the app lags when editing many captions, clear cache or restart Kinemaster. Remember, small timing tweaks and consistent formatting make captions professional and accessible.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.